Hello friends, this is a short first-person shooter voice announcer project I'm working on. Very few lines. And I wanted to just save a file that contains these effects in their settings. But you know what, I'm gonna just lose it or not know how to open it in a future version. So I decided to make this video. And maybe you can be helped with it as well. And maybe you have some suggestions in the comments. Because it's not like I'm a huge pro at this. Anyways, let's listen to the lines as I recorded them without any effects. Because let me disable them. And now let's listen to them.
Base captured. Base lost. Fight. Health boost. Health boost in 10 seconds. Let's fight. Quad damage. Quad damage in 10 seconds. Respawn point set.
Alright, so I had to take care and put my voice a little more angry and in the back of my throat and try to keep consistency. But that was not enough, as you can hear. So let's listen to the end result of my rack.
Base captured. Base lost. Fight. Health boost. Health boost in 10 seconds. Let's fight. Quad damage. Quad damage in 10 seconds. Respawn point set.
Alright, I'm a bit unhappy with a little lack of consistency. I'm not sure which filter it is. I think it's the stereo expander. It seems to be more awesome on some of the lines than on others. Yeah, let me just play this back again and I'm gonna just switch then, turn them on one by one.
Base captured. Base lost. Fight.
Health boost. Health boost in 10 seconds. Let's fight. Quad damage.
The equalizer is very important. Let's just try the equalizer only.
Base captured. Base captured. Base captured. Base captured.
I mean, if you have headphones on, you will hear the difference. And the pitch shifter, that one's the biggest change in the seriousness, the deepness, the testosterone in my voice.
Base captured.
Yeah, I can't even talk like that. And then the chorus adds a little announcery thing to it. I don't think it's the best solution. There's probably a better filter for that. Stereo expander, not even sure it makes much of a difference, but actually, yeah, it feels even more like there's a sound system from which you're hearing this, and hard limiter just makes it louder.
Base captured.
So that's what I did. And I set markers by pressing M again and again. And then I used the markers section here, and I just clicked on 2 markers and then pressed this, merge selected markers, and then they would be converted to whatever this, I guess, range is. I don't know. And then I can just Control A here, and I'm gonna just export everything. Oh yeah, and before I do that, I just press apply here. I already did this once, so I'm not gonna actually use the end result, but all of these I had to adjust. They were a bit too far to the left, not far enough to the right. Well, the beginning was too far to the left, and the end was not far enough to the right most of the time. So I had to hand adjust these because I have no idea how to select them all and move them all at the same time, if that's even possible. Anyways, I'm not gonna do that again, I already did that. And I'm gonna just go to markers and export audio of selected range markers to separate files. And here I do use marker names and file names, set a location, set a format, and that was it. And then I just press export. Without the metadata, I guess. I don't need that anymore. Hey, let me just give it a try. What if I new folder nef? Yeah, create it. Okay, smart, thank you. Okay, whoops, I only got this one. Let me just Control A here and click clack, and here we are. Hey, marker 6 copy, that's kind of nice. But it's the same thing, isn't it? It is. Okay, let me just get rid of that. And now I just listen to them.
Health boost.
And I just call them health boost. Boots.
Base.
I guess base captured. Base captured.
Base captured.
Of course, you have to pay attention. This might be a wrong way to name them, depending on your project.
Respawn point.
Like you could go for respawn point set. RSP set.
Quad damage.
or QDMG, whatever. Anyways, that's it. Oh yeah, of course. I forgot the most important part. Let me just Control Z until we get the effects back. There we go. So let's listen. Let's look at the details. Dynamics processing. Oh, okay. I did that manually. I pretty much base this off vocal limiter. So you can see this, right? This is clear. This helps. Yeah. Can I undo that? Nope. Anyways, but if you go back in the video, you can see exactly what ratio it was. It was based on vocal limiter, but I moved that. Something like that. Just go back in the video. Parametric equalizer, I simply used vocal enhancer or rap vocals. Nope, it was vocal enhancer. Yep, that's what I used. Pitch shifter, -2. Yep. Ratio is here, okay. So 0.89 or -2, that's what I used for pitch shifter. Chorus, I believe I used 5 voices as a basis and then just set this to 2 voices. And I don't think I might have changed some values a little bit. So we've got 20 milliseconds, 0.5 hertz, 15%, 25 milliseconds, 1 modulation depth dB, and modulation rate is 19.8. I did set these checkboxes. I think maybe only one was on or none was on. Stereo field, I think, was 80 by default, and I changed this from 40-60 to 30-70. Stereo expander, I think I just used one of the standard ones. Wider field? Nope. I just used wide field, so 200% and 0. And hard limiter, I simply used limit to 6 dB. I have to say I absolutely do not know what I'm doing here. I don't know whether there is a standard for video game and production sounds and result sounds or not. And what that would be, whether you have to limit to, I would guess you have to limit to 0 dB or -0.1 dB, but I'm just gonna go for 6. And that's the end result for you and for myself, in case I have to do this in the future and forget all this stuff. Give this video a like if it helped. Please, if you know what I did wrong and what I couldn't do better, please write a comment. I want to learn from those who know what they're doing. Enjoy making sounds and voices, and I will see you next time. Until then, ciao.